At a creek. Got my ultralight. Got a little rooster tail. Let's get to some creek fishing. Oh my gosh. There's so many tiny little fish in here. That's all there is. Not seen any big ones. All I can do is just nip at it. Can't fully eat it. Got one. Holy cow. Look how small this guy is. Tiny. Rooster tail barely even fits in his mouth. Let's get a little release. Oh, immediately the second it hit the water. This guy's not too small. There he goes. Tons of little fish all up in this structure right here that's in the water. It's a little too shallow for anything. But then it gets deeper right there, like right after it. I'm trying to just flick it up in there, see if anything's big enough to swipe at it, just like that. Small, but big enough to swipe at it. Tiny little guy. Let's get a little release. Right up here, deeper little pocket. See if there's anything along the bank. Oh, I just had a bite. Oh, that was something bigger. I'm gonna cast right back where I just came from. Something decently sized. Got him. Not big, but not the smallest ones we've been catching. Let's get a little release. He was just chilling right up along the bank. This whole area is deeper, so I'm just gonna make a bunch of casts just randomly out here. See if something's just chilling randomly, just sitting somewhere out here. Just got a bunch of bites. Missed it. Ooh, just got swiped at. Got him. Nothing crazy, just tiny little guy. This one might be the smallest one of the day. He's really slow. There he goes. Yeah, anywhere I step, I just sink. It's actually crazy. Holy cow. Just sink really fast there. Holy cow. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go that direction. Keep sinking. I want to keep going, but don't really know how I'm gonna get across. Talk about a journey. I just actually had to take the most devious journey to get back into the creek so I could find my way. Now I'm gonna go back there was nowhere good to get into the creek. I don't know if you can see it. Like the bank is like, it literally goes straight down on both sides. So there was nowhere good to get out and back in of the creek. So I had to go far down. Now I'm gonna like turn around a little and get a few casts in this deep hole right here. It's really good. It's juicy. I actually might need to take a little bath, bro. I'm actually hot. Like right on the rocks. Oh, got one. Holy cow. Immediately. Sun's to my back now too. Holy cow. Nice little guy. Let's get a little release. It's like, this is like the deepest little part I've seen so far in the creek. Instant fish just each time I cast into it. I mean, like literally each time I cast, it's instantly a fish. This is the biggest one I've caught so far too. It's not even a bad sized little sunfish. He's pretty good. I mean, gorgeous colors. He's got a little bit of thickness to him. Got a little fat belly. Let's get a little release on this guy. Swims off. I mean, this rock right here is like fish heaven. Oh, another bite. Oh, got him. Got him. Cute little bugger. Cute little bugger. Let's get a little release. I'm in love with this spinner. This is the 24 ounce. So it's like the smallest one you can get. Usually I use the 16 one. This small one is putting in the work. It's really nice. Launched it out there. Let's see if... Oh, immediate bite. Immediately bite. Holy cow. Immediately he destroyed it. Second hit the water. He jumped out of my hand. Huh. Asa has arrived. He's making the journey through the creek again. Don't even know if you can see him. He's all the way down there. Making all that noise. Running through the creek. It was actually quicksand, so it's going to be really hard for him to get to me. Asa finally joined me.
Yes, sir, I'm here. I don't probably just sprinkle though.
That's a deep spot right there. Let's see if there's anything in there. Oh, got him.
Okay.
Bro, look how small. They're so small. I mean, look at them.
Oh. Dude, I had him and then...
Oh my gosh, got one. They're so small. I think they're getting smaller. This one's tiny. I mean, look at that guy. Tiny little guy.
Oh my. Let's go.
Oh, I think it's starting to rain again.
Yeah, it was sprinkling on the way, bro. I was like...
I'm getting so many bites. Oh, got him. Oh, there he goes. It might be time to just bust a rotate. I didn't bring a towel or anything. Oh, good stuff.
Let's go. Oh, they look, you do like that thing.
Oh my gosh.
They like the pink, bro.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
There he goes. All right, let's go.